Okay, sorry, that was Miss Renner. Okay, so now we're on to section 3, which is heat and states of matter. The 3 familiar states of matter that you should have learned a long time ago are solid, liquid, and gas. State of matter simply means the physical forms of matter. Now, this includes solid, liquid, and gas. When we say a change of state, this is when a substance changes from one physical state to another. And a change of state is going to be a physical change. So, to define a physical change, this is when it affects one or more physical property without changing its identity. For instance, ice. If ice melts from a solid to a liquid, it's still water. It's just in a different state. If that water then boils and evaporates, it changes to a gas rather than a liquid. So freezing is simply changing from a liquid to a solid. Melting is changing from a solid to a liquid. And condensing is changing from a gas to a liquid. So the thing to remember with a physical change is that it still has the same identity. It may just have a different state. Chemical changes occur when one or more substances are changed into entirely new substances with new properties. Now, this is what happens with calories. When we take in calories or when we take in food, that changes into a completely different subject or substance. So that's a chemical change. So a calorie is a unit of energy that is used to measure the chemical energy in food. If you look at calories on the foods that you eat, you'll see different numbers of calories. This is because it takes different amounts of energy to break down that substance. 1 calorie is equivalent to 4,184 joules. And because calorie is a measure of energy, it's also a measure of heat. Now, there is a device called a calorimeter, which is used to measure heat. This is used a lot to determine calories of foods, especially when they make low-fat or low-calorie foods. There have to be tests done using a calorimeter to test this. That's it. See you later.